Tree Removal Caboolture. We're a family-owned and operated business with 4 generations of experience in tree lopping Caboolture, Morayfield, Burpengary, North Lakes. Experience in tree lopping Caboolture, Morayfield, Burpengary, North Lakes, Kallangur and wider Brisbane Northside suburbs. Our reputation as the most affordable and reliable tree and stump removal service provider is well earned. Our fully trained staff takes every safety precaution seriously and delivers high-quality workmanship with pride. We make sure the tree and stump removal process is quick, hassle-free, and easy for you. Our goal is to achieve 100% customer satisfaction through our wide range of residential and commercial tree and stump removal services at the most competitive prices possible. We understand that Queensland weather can be unpredictable, which is why we also provide emergency tree lopping and stump removal services. Our responsive team is available 7 days a week and will get to you in the shortest time possible in Caboolture. For affordable and reliable tree and stump removal services in Caboolture, Morayfield, Burpengary, North Lakes, Kallangur, and wider Brisbane Northside suburbs, look no further than us.